Today I'm going to bring a carbon fiber sticker that we're going to put on this desk here. Now it's a little bit folded because I did this. I actually used it already, but I want to just show you guys a review on this. And this is a table that I have. It's an old table. Sentimental value on me. That's why I do not want to get rid of it. This table's around over 25 years old. 25, 20, some may say. It's an old steel, very strong table, but has a lot of sentimental value. It used to belong to a uncle of mine that passed away a couple of years ago. And he used to own a store where he used to have all the stuff in there. So I do not want to get rid of it. I want to keep it, but make it more modern. And we're going to put a carbon fiber to see if we could make it last a little longer, because we're getting little chips here and there, and it's showing its age already. And it's really strong and sturdy that I don't want to get rid of it. So we're going to go ahead and set this up and see how it works. All right, minimum bubbles. I did get a little couple bubbles in here, but I'm not a professional putting this on. But as you can see, it looks like a brand new desk from here. Pretty much I got it ready to go with that. So give it another life to the desk that I was going to throw away. Not bad. I could use it for doing chemicals or any soldering or metal, and it's waterproof, of course. I'm gonna go back and clean up all these little air bubbles in there. You could just pick them with something sharp, real light, and then smooth it out. But like I said, there's other ways with a heat gun too to get out the wrinkles or anything else. But it's really simple to use. I actually got frustrated because I started with one that was already so wrinkled, and I had to throw it away. So I'm going to show some footage in here that I had to start over. But the second time is the charm. Still have a lot left over for another desk. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys like what you guys see, make sure you subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. We're out.